Hello. Why Hello guys. Some sound is coming. Please take care of it. Hello, anyone? Who would like?
Okay,
Hello, please mute yourself. Voice is coming. Hello guys, please mute yourself. Please guys, mute yourself. Now it is okay. Okay guys. Now 4 2 already done. So I will start. 1 minute, okay? Just wait 1 minute. I will start. Okay. Not bedroom है exactly. Wallpaper. Okay, my screen is visible now, guys. Okay. So guys, uh, today I am start organic chemistry. Okay. I will teach basic parts of GOC because GOC is very important topic in organic chemistry. Because uh, after this you can understand the mechanism of reaction also, and your in 12th na, so many good chapters there. So if you need to understand, you will need this chapter also. So that is why just 1 second. That I am teaching this topic. Okay, don't worry. I will finish this chapter very fast. Okay, then I will start hello alkanes. Okay. So guys, my voice is clear, guys. Now I can start. Okay, guys. Now I am starting. Okay. Okay, guys. Just I will show you one thing. See, I think someone coming. Just 1 second. Okay. So see. Okay. Okay. I'm starting. I'm just joining. Okay, guys. Now I'm starting. Okay. General organic chemistry. Good afternoon. See, general organic chemistry. I'm now starting. Okay. In GOC, uh, three topics are very important. One is the inductive effect, and second is resonance, and third is hyperconjugation. Electromagnetic effect is also important, but main these three things are very important. Okay, and some also parts are very important. I will tell you in the later of the class. Okay, so today I will start inductive effect. Okay, today guys I will start inductive effect. Okay, I was before starting the inductive effect, I will show something you guys. Okay, just 1 second. Guys, it is a periodic table. Okay, in this periodic table, if you observe that from left to right side, if you go from left to right side, this side, you can observe this side your electronegativity will increase. If you will go from one group to towards 18 group, your electronegativity will be increased. Okay, and you can you know already, guys, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, they have electronegativity value is higher. Okay, if you going from top to bottom, so your electronegativity will also decrease. So please remember two things, it is very important. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Now I'm just writing here electronegativity will increase in the periodic table from left to right, and if you're going from up to down, your electronegativity will decrease. Okay, guys. So this okay, guys, you understand what is the meaning of electronegativity? Projects only no. Okay, in the actually I will say here, see guys. Actually, projects. If you see here, I'm writing one example here. If we see here, actually chlorine, these type of elements will be very close to 17 groups, 16 groups. Okay, they have very high tendency for electronegativity. Means they will attract the bond pair to itself. It means कि if you see here, here carbon is there, here chlorine will be there. Okay, so here chlorine have more electronegativity. Means कि here chlorine will attract so much electron towards itself. Okay, hello. Okay, so what happened actually here, if you observe that here, I will be make big skin, then you will see proper. Okay, just one second. See guys, see this carbon, actually this chlorine and this carbon, you can see observe here, this chlorine has high tendency for electronegativity. Means कि whatever bond pair it will be shared by chlorine and carbon, so in this bond pair whatever electrons are there, they will attract more towards the chlorine. So Thirix, so who has elements have good electronegative strength, they will attract bond pair of electrons towards itself. Okay, Thirix, they will attract the bond pair of electron towards itself. Okay, it means like this कि if you have, you and me, if I have bond, so I am stronger than you. So what happen? I will attract your electron towards me. Okay, that type of things we call electronegativity. Okay, so here okay, if I will say कि what is the meaning of electronegativity is more, means कि it will attract more electronegativity comparing to carbon. See, chlorine have more electronegativity comparing to carbon. That means it will attract the electron more comparing to carbon. So that is why in the chlorine what happen here, electronegativity or electron affinity is same thing. Okay, guys, see. So here what happen actually, this chlorine will attract the electron towards itself. So that is why here some polarization will happen. Means chlorine side it will become negative and carbon side is become positive. And if you will go longer far comparing to chlorine, this will become more positive here. Okay, because chlorine here negative, so it will attack the electron towards itself, and this carbon have less electronegativity comparing to chlorine. That is why this side will, you can see the polarization will come positive. And if you will go little bit ahead, you can see the positive polarization will increase. So this negative part I will call minus I. Minus I means minus negative inductive. Okay, and this positive side I will call I plus. See, chlorine have a more value, but if you see now values is very close to chlorine also. Okay, but fluorine is a more electronegativity. Okay, is I think its value is 3.24. I think, and chlorine value I think is close to 3. Okay, guys, see. So chlorine have minus I, and here these all remainings are showing I positive. See, so this minus I will call minus negative inductive effect, and this positive side I will call plus inductive effect. Okay, so what is the meaning of minus I effect? Means electron withdrawing group, means it will attract the electron to itself, means it will take the electron. It's not taking, it will attract the electron towards. Okay, and plus I means electron donating group. Okay, they will save the electron towards chlorine. Okay, that is the electron donating group is plus I, and minus I is the electron withdrawing group. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and hello. One thing is, it is clear here. If you see, guys, please see between the. If I will see, if you can see here, here both are carbon here. Okay, see, minus I plus I when will come when between the two elements electronegativity difference is there. If between the two elements there is no difference between the electronegativity, that means your if inductive effect is zero, yeah, you can say there is no inductive effect in this case. Okay, so you can see, guys, the in of sigma, who is noise coming? Guys, guys, you are sharing the link with anyone? Guys, please don't do this, yeah. It will distract now. Please don't do this, huh? Okay, see. Okay, guys, see. Definition is that displacement of sigma electron, a polarization of sigma electron towards more electronegative element is known as the inductive effect. That is the definition of inductive effect. Okay, and please, guys, please remember this. Please remember this one thing. This inductive effect is permanent effect. It's not a temporary effect. Okay, it is not a temporary effect. It is a permanent effect. Okay, if I will say ki between the R is the alkyl group here, F is a fluorine. So between the fluorine, it will show you it is more electronegativity group. So that is why it will show minus I. And who is coming again? Okay, so it will showing minus I effect. Okay, and see, this inductive effect is a weak effect. Okay, comparing to other effect, is a not a strong effect. I will tell you later in the last class when in the last in last point when I will comparing all effect. Then I will tell you this why it is a weak effect. Okay, don't worry about that. And guys, please can you see here? Here one alkyl group is here, CS2. Okay, and between this one chlorine element is here, and here you can see here CH is there. Here two chlorine are there. Okay, see how much people are connecting. Two people are coming. Okay, now I understand something or two. Bhagya, see, you are connecting from two device. Bhagya, see, you join the class between the from two device. Once, please show me the 1 second. Okay, you are from two device. Okay. Okay. See guys, here chlorine this CH2 na, is connect with Cl, and here you can see here two chlorine are there, here three chlorine are there. If you see, you know, chlorine have more effect, chlorine have more electronegativity comparing to carbon, so that is why here one polarization will come negative, and here positive will come here. If you see here, two positive are there, so here now plus minus sign is more here, and now if you will go downside, you will see minus sign is more there. So what is the meaning of this? Ki on this carbon you can see only effect, positive effect because of one chlorine, here positive effect because of two chlorine, and if you downside here positive effect because of three chlorine. So I will tell you one thing guys, ki this inductive effect actually additive property, that means it is will add, if you will add a more electronegativity with carbon, that means it will increase the I plus effect on the carbon, so it is a additive properties. Okay, here you can see guys, here you can see here, see here methyl group is there, either two methyl group. See here you can see it is a methyl group, it is a ethyl group, it is a propyl group. Guys, please remember one thing, whenever your alkyl group will come now, they will show the positive I effect. Okay, normally. Okay guys, normally alkyl group will show you positive effect. Okay, in the, if you have metal, in that case is different thing, but normally alkyl group will show you plus I effect. Okay, so here if you see here one carbon is there, here two carbon is there, here three carbon is here. So whenever you increase the number of carbon, the alkyl group will increase. So please remember this thing. Okay, whenever you are increase the number of electronegative element, that means your plus minus I effect will increase. If you are increase the alkyl group, that means plus I effect will increase. So that is I'm saying this inductive properties are additive effect. Okay guys, guys see, I also write in here one points, more sp3 carbon means more I plus effect. Okay, don't worry, everything I will comparing. Okay, don't worry, in my notes you can see all things are there, so do not worry about that ki I'm not covering anything. Okay, inductive. Okay, inductive is two types, minus I plus I already covered. Guys, please remember one thing, my word. See, you know already alkyl groups, if you know, carbon have three types of hybridization is there, sp square sp3. Okay, that is a minus I effect order is that, ki in the sp is more minus I effect, and sp square is less, and sp3 is very less. Okay, if you are comparing with the in sp square sp3, so sp is more minus I effect. Okay guys, why? Because more, because of more x character, because of more x character your elements are more electronegativity character, so that is why in this case sp character minus I effect is more compared to sp square and sp3. Okay guys, so now I will identify here in the question who has more inductive effect. Okay, in the circle group minus I effect, who have more minus I effect. So guys, if you see here okay order for minus I effect plus I effect, I will give you also order, don't worry about it. Okay guys, if you see the second example, it is given here three carbon, ch3 ch double bond with ch2. So guys, if you see here, I'm circling this carbon. So this carbon, whatever I'm covering with red pen, this carbon is sp hybridization. Okay, and this carbon is sp square. Okay, I have already tell you कि sp, if you increase the s character, that means your I minus effect will increase, that means this sp3 is most I plus I effect, and this so that is why this ch3 effect, this ch3 alkyl group will show plus I effect comparing to this ch. Why? Because you know already I'm telling you कि if you see sp square sp3, they have more minus I effect. So in this case what happened, this ch have minus I effect, so that is why this ch3 become plus I effect. Okay, please remember that if you have sp3 sp2 square sp, so in that case sp3 have more I plus effect compared to sp square sp. Okay guys, if you see in the c question, ch3 minus c triple bond ch, then c triple ch, this you can see here, c triple bond with ch, this is a sp. and the CH3 is sp3. So here sp3 have more plus I effect comparing to this carbon. Okay, just guys, please remember this order. Ki sp square sp, please remember this order, then you will can solve this question. Okay, because this sp carbon have more minus effect, that is why this will become minus, this become plus I effect. So that is why I'm writing here plus I effect. Okay guys, now can you guys see here D option, D question, sc triple bond with C, then ch double bond ch2. So guys, see, these both circle are have sp hybridization, both circle have sp hybridization. Okay, and this ch is sp square hybridization. So that is why this sp character have more minus effect compared to this ch. So that is why I'm writing here minus I effect. Okay guys, now can you see here E option? Okay, okay, this in this E option, you can see H minus C triple bond C minus C triple bond N. Guys, you can see both carbon here with have three bond, carbon carbon three bond here, both are sp character. And here you can see both carbon have minus I effect. Okay, so that is why identify. Okay, so how can you identify here? So I will tell you. See, both have sp character here. Okay, this two carbon dcn both are sp character, but what is the main important here? In this carbon they have nitrogen, and you know already nitrogen is more electronegativity character comparing to carbon. So that is why this part cn part have more electronegativity. So that is why it become minus I, and this part will become plus I effect. Okay guys, it is clear. Guys, till now it is clear what is the meaning of plus I and minus I. Only Praswal saying yes. Any other guys? Harshit, Kusi, Unisi, Ratan. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, I'm increasing to chlorine. See, in this chain, if you see this one, two, three carbon is connected to Cl. Okay. So you can understand, guys. This is simple carbon chain. So in this simple carbon, if you connect with chlorine, so you can understand this chlorine will show more I negative I. Okay, effect. And now you know, in this carbon chain, you are connected with fluorine. That means it will show minus I effect. Okay. See guys, NH2, it connected with amine. So this will be also minus I effect because nitrogen is there. So nitrogen has more electronegative power compared to carbon. So that is why it's also showing minus I effect. This nitrogen dioxide also is a minus I effect. You can so okay, guys. Now you can see here these cyclohexane are connected with CH3. Okay, methyl group. So guys, please remember that both carbon, this CH3 carbon have sp3 hybridization, and this carbon also this connected to this cyclohexane carbon is also sp3 hybridization. So that means ki both have same hybridization. That means there is no effect change here. Okay, there is no change in the I effect. Okay, why? Because both have sp3 hybridization. So that is why this CH3 have no effect. Yeah, that's what happened. I will tell you again. Which from which part I will tell you hybridization. See, okay, Kusi, see, hybridization means sp. Okay, sp square sp3 is a hybridization. Okay, okay, Kusi. And if you see here, sp is more minus I effect compared to sp square and sp3. If you will go this side because towards to sp3, that means plus I effect will increase. If you go towards sp, that means minus I effect will increase. Okay, so here we are observing this thing. So you can see here this methyl group is connected to cyclohexane. So this CH3, this is also sp3, and this carbon connected here, this all group is all are also sp3. So that is why this red part of CH3 is also no effect. Why? Because both are sp3. So I tell already, if any difference in the there in the diagram in the compound, if any difference is there between the electronegativity of two elements, then inductive effect will work. Otherwise, it will not work. So here, no inductive effect is there. Okay, guys. Now we can see here this R group, this R alkyl group is connected to N plus S3. See guys, whenever ammonia like this sp3 cancel sir. You can say it like this also. But whenever a hydrogen same now, in that case, no I effect is there. Okay, okay. What as well?
Not understood, sir.
This J part, J part. You tell me whatever what you not understanding, guys. Praswal and guys, Praswal is not a meaning of cancel part here. It is meaning here कि here sp3 same na. So there is no difference between the electronegativity. So that is why here minus I plus I effect is not there. So you can say it's a cancel, but generally you can say like this कि both are same sp3 hybridization. So that is why there will be no I effect is there. Okay, okay. Now what is the problem? Just tell me. What are you not understanding? Please tell me. Okay, tell me which part या which question you not understand. Then I will tell you. Last page. This all page you are not understanding. This question ना. This question था just this page. From this page I will cover for you. Okay, okay. So just see. Alkyl group combined to fluorine. Fluorine have more electronegativity. That is why it will show minus effect, I effect more. Okay, that is why minus I is there. Is there a plus I effect is there. Okay, and inductive effect is always permanent effect and is a weak effect also. Okay, and is also additive effect. Why? Because if you are increasing the electronegativity so much, so that is why we call it is the additive property. Okay, if you see here, if I will increase methyl group, if I will increase the alkyl group, that means plus I effect also increase. Okay, so I will cover. I will come next page here. I am solving here question. Okay, now you can see here. I will tell here sp is more minus I effect comparing to sp square sp3. Okay, I will go to sp3. That means plus I effect will increase comparing to sp. So guys, please see here. This alkyl group comparing to benzene, it will be this OH will be showing minus I effect. Okay, because of oxygen. And second, be a question. This CH3 has sp3 hybridization, and this CH is sp square. So that is why this CH3 will show plus effect comparing to this CH. And see question you can see here. Here again sp3 hybridization, sp hybridization. So you already know sp3 is more positive compared to sp. So they will show you plus I effect, and this sp will show you minus I effect. Okay, and in I you can see here in the you say here D option. This Sc triple bond with C, then CH double bond CH2. You can see guys here sp hybridization, here sp square hybridization. So you know sp hybridization have more I minus effect. So that is why it become minus I effect here. And E portion, this C triple bond C. Okay, so just see. First you will see, but if you have to find between the carbon carbon, then you have to see what is the hybridization is there, sp3 sp square sp. If if bond carbon with another element, other remaining other element, then you have to see who is most electronegativity element. Because of that you will decide. Minus I effect means you are want to taking the electron towards you, and plus I effect means you are donating the electron. That is the plus I effect. So you already know chlorine, fluorine, they have very good power of electronegativity. So that is why I am discussing here plus I effect minus I effect. Okay, guys, see here's the between the carbon triple bond is there. Here carbon and nitrogen have triple bond. Both are sp hybridization. But what is the difference here? Ki between but this carbon have nitrogen. So this nitrogen have more negative effect. So that is why this will become minus I. This will become plus I effect. Okay, and F you can say this all simple carbon chain it will connect to chlorine. That means this chlorine will have minus I effect. Okay, this chlorine also minus I effect. ammonia is also NH2 will also show minus I effect. This NO2 also minus I effect will show. Okay, if you are connected with methyl alkyl group. Okay, alkyl group always showing you plus I effect normally. Okay, don't worry guys, I will show you also order. Okay, don't worry about that. See this CS3 and this cyclohexane have, see this CS3 in E question you saying Praswal. In E question you saying ki if hybridization same sp, so why I'm saying plus I minus I. You are saying yes. Okay. See Praswal, actually na both are sp hybridization. Okay, that is okay. But if we C have triple bond with C na both side, so in this case no I effect will be there. But in this case what happen actually? Here nitrogen is there. Okay, that is why in this case this will be more electronegativity comparing to this two carbon. Okay, if both side two carbon is there, that is okay. In that case there is no effect. But what happen here? Here carbon with nitrogen, so that is why nitrogen, you know, they have more power. Okay, that is why it will become minus I effect plus I effect. But in the J question, what happen here? Both side are Sc carbon is there. Both side carbon is there. Okay, and if you see here, both are sp3. That is I'm saying this will be no change in the I effect here. You see, there is no effect of I. In K question, no. See guys, NH3 and NH2 they have minus I effect. But if I will add na plus charge on the nitrogen, it will become more I minus effect. Why? Because if you give na nitrogen, chlorine, this type of element, if you will give na positive charge, that means it will become more electronegativity. So in this case, they have more power comparing to other element. So this plus NH3 have more minus I effect. Okay. If you see SO3H here with sulfur, three oxygens there. That is why means it will show more I negative effect here compared to methyl group. Now you see CS3 O positive H. So I will tell now who has more electronegative power. If you will give positive charge, that means they have more electronegative. Okay, that is why this OH2 will show more minus I effect comparing to this methyl group. Now guys, you can see here. Okay, one second. This is what you saying. O CS3 C triple bond C triple bond C. Guys, see Harshit. CS3 C triple bond C triple. Harshit, uh, in the E question, na, if carbon to have triple bond, if both side, if carbon have double carbon have bond, that in this case you can say कि that is a no change. But nitrogen is that is I'm writing here minus I effect plus I effect. What is saying H at the last? See, what is saying? I'm not understanding. Which question you have problem, Archit? Archit, in which question you have problem, Archit? Just tell me name. So CS3 C triple bond C triple bond C and the last. See, you are saying you have, see guys. Harshit, first you want to see in which area you are focusing is showing in which case they will showing CS3 C triple bond C triple bond CH. Okay. See, Harshit, you say uh, see in the last you have C triple bond to C. Guys, how it is possible that two carbon have triple bond both side? Harshit, Bhagesh, how it is possible that one carbon have both side triple bond? Bhagesh, both side one carbon have both side triple bond with carbon. How it is possible? Okay, between two carbon only triple bond is there. Then is CH3 only. You are saying like this, na? Okay, I will. Can you send? Can you show me picture? Whatever you want because I'm confusing here. Okay, one you were saying only three carbon have triple bond. Okay, if you have one between two carbon triple bond and with that one methyl group is attached. Okay, see, two carbon have triple bond and then methyl group is there. You are saying so that methyl will group showing plus I effect that both carbon who has triple bond both are showing minus I effect. Okay, it is clear, Harshit. Whatever carbon they have triple bond that will show minus I effect. That carbon who is a methyl group that carbon is showing you plus I effect. Okay, why suggest you showing down? Why do you not understand? Guys, please see here. Now I will. What you are not understanding? Okay, I will show you plus I minus effect. Then you will understand what I'm saying here. Otherwise, you will saying like this every time. Guys, guys, see please here. Plus I effect plus minus I order here. If you see here, minus I minus N R3. R is a alkyl group more. Then SR2 positive. Then N is positive H3. Then NO2 SO2R, CN SO2AR, CH, chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodide, OAR, COR. This is the order of minus effect. That means कि the all are it depends on कि who element have more electronegative power. It depends on that. Okay, so just first you have to comparing कि if carbon attached with carbon, that means in this case you just see only sp3, sp, and sp. Okay, now Harshit, you are saying like this. Okay, uh, okay. See, Harshit, see, who have carbon have three bond. In what case you have uh, see this CS3 this type of will show you minus I effect. Okay, then triple C and then triple C with H. Who is coming again? Just was excited, guys. That is a problem in the online class. You asking Harshit this question? What you write written in the group, Harshit? Okay, this you asking this question, na? In which case, who will show minus I effect or plus I effect? Upper one.
Yes, sir, guys.
Okay, Harshit, see between these two carbon, they both have triple bond. Okay, between those carbon, there is no inductive effect. Okay, but this methyl group and this both carbon have triple group. In between this minus I plus I effect is there. Okay, this CH3 will show plus I effect. This carbon triple bond will show minus I effect. Okay, but in between these two carbon who have triple bond, between this there's no effect. Why? Because this CH na is no meaning. Why? See, CH na very less I effect. Very you can say कि CH bond they have hydrogen they have no value for inductive. So that is why you can suppose that like this कि there is CH there is no big problem. So that I'm saying this C triple bond both triple bond they have not so much difference between the I minus I. But this CS3 and this C triple C, between this we have minus I effect plus I effect is there. Okay. Okay, Harshit, you just wait. Okay. After class now, I will write in my copy. I will send you proper. Okay, explanation. Don't worry. Okay, guys. Okay. There is a online class, and that is a limitation. Okay. If it's a online offline class, so we can do it immediately. Okay. Guys, please see. Whenever you see na कि electronegative elements are there, that means they have minus effect will show. You see SO3H, NH plus 3, O every carbon. So that is why this C3 will show plus effect, this benzene will show only CH. So that is why this triple bond has minus effect. So like this, you see, guys, please see. Only this is the example where methyl group are acting as effect. You can see, guys, CH3 MgBr minus effect. Otherwise, in other group, they will show every time plus effect. Why? Because magnesium are metal. So it is good comparing to alkyl group. They will share the electron more. So that is why they here magnesium will show plus effect and CH3 will show minus effect. So only in this case, alkyl group will show minus effect only. Okay, guys. Now question is that you can do this question also is same. Okay, practice in your home. Okay, this okay. I will comparing here also. You just do after me. Okay, I will say in a group. I will write some points here. The cause of inductive effect is the difference between the electronegativity of two elements. Inductive effects of hydrogen is zero. Okay, and it is dependent on distance. Yeah, your inductive effects depends on distance. Okay, if you will go on a long, so your inductive effect will be weak. You can see na first diagram. I will show you first page. I will write here plus see here. If you say in this chlorine and this carbon CH2, they have minus effect, minus I effect, plus I effect is there. But if you go now in the last carbon, they have plus effect but very less. If you will go far, so your plus I effect will be decreased. So that is why I'm saying this inductive effect is depend on distance also. Okay. Minus I effect. Okay. Here, guys, I will request to you, please after me, please see this example. If you're not understanding, you can ask me, no problem. I will solve your doubt tomorrow also. Okay. But please revise every question. Okay, from my notes, because it will increase your knowledge. Please try. Okay. It is my request from my side. See, guys, here this two carbon are sp hydration, here sp square, sp3. So already I tell you, sp hydration is more minus I effect compared to sp square and sp3. Okay, and fluorine you boys already know, fluorine have more electronegativity. That is why fluorine have minus I effect more chlorine than bromine than iodine. Okay, if we see here, Sc with oxygen, Ch with NH, here Ch with Ch2. So guys, if you see here, three all are sp square hybridization. If you see here, sp square hybridization, sp square hybridization, sp square hybridization. But one thing difference is there. Why? Ki here carbon is there in this, here NH there, here oxygen will be there. So already guys, oxygen is more electronegativity comparing to nitrogen. So that is why this will show more minus side effect comparing to this. And this is a normal carbon. So that is why it will show less electronegativity comparing to this both oxygen and nitrogen. So that is why order are here like this. Okay. Now you can see OH, fluorine and methyl group. They will ask who has more minus effect. So guys, you know already minus fluorine. Sorry, this is a fluorine. Fluorine will show more I minus effect comparing to alcohol and methyl group. You know methyl group is coming in last. Okay. Now guys, you see CN, CSNH, CH2, NH2. If you see here, nitrogen is there, but hybridization difference is there. sp3, sp square, sp3, sp. So you already know sp have more minus effect compared to sp square, sp3. So that is why this is a minus effect is more here. Okay. Now you see in F group is a benzene. You can say phenyl group, and this is a ethyl. Is you can see here C triple bond CH. These have more minus effect. Why? Because it's a sp square hybridization. Here is a sp3 hybridization. So that is sorry sp hybridization here, and here is a sp square. So that is why it will show minus effect more compared to phenyl group. Okay, guys, here please comparing is also here. What are you saying? First you listen physics.
Sir, I had shared in WhatsApp once. Open WhatsApp, sir.
Now I will solve you. First I will teach you. Then you will listen. Na? Then I will solve your doubt. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
See, this is a phenyl group. This is a CH2, CH2. Then it is CH, double bond with CH. Okay, if you see here, okay, see, both are sp square hybridization. Okay, but it is a phenyl group. Okay, see, guys, can you comparing here? Here both have sp square hybridization, but why this phenyl group is more minus effect? Why, guys? See, if you are comparing this carbon, now see, first carbon is sp square, second carbon is also sp square, third carbon is also square. What is the meaning of here? Ki in this chain, all carbon have sp square hybridization, but here, na, only these two carbon are sp square hybridization. After these two carbon, you have bond with hydrogen. I already tell you, ki with hydrogen bond there is a no effect of I, because you already know I for H there is no I value. Okay, so that is why this these two carbon, these six carbon are sp square hybrid. That is why this C6 sp square hybrid is more minus I effect comparing to only these two carbon. So that is why this sp square hybrid is more I minus effect comparing to these two. Okay. And now I will show you SO, S double O, S triple OH. So how can you know who is the more electronegative? So I will just see. If central atom have more oxidation state, yeah, more oxidation number, yeah, I will say कि more oxygen will come. That means more electronegativity nature will increase. So that is why this last part, this last will be more I minus effect compared to these two. Okay, if oxygen is more, yeah, oxidation number is will be more. In that case, your minus effect is more. Okay, now can you see here OH, SH, SEH. Now you can see hydrogen is there, but here oxygen is there, sulfur is there, Se is here. So guys, guys, O, S, Se both are same group. So that is why if I will go downside, so electronegativity will decrease. So that is why OH more electronegative compared to SH and SEH. Okay, that this come NH plus 3, Pe plus S3, ASS3, SbS3. But here plus sign will be there. So guys, 3. Guys, can you see here? Nitrogen first poorer than AS than Sp. So if you are start from NH, so both are N, P, S, S, Sp. Both are same group. Four are in the same group. But if I will come from top to bottom, so my electronegativity value will decrease. So that is why NH value has more minus I effect combined to all. Just 1 second. What are you saying, physics? What is the Se, sir? It is the element in the here is the Se. In the sulfur, after sulfur, Se's element is coming. After sulfur, I can show you. Just 1 second. I will show you. OSSE. Now you can see Arshit. Now you can see OSSE. So this SE will come after OS. So that is why your element electronegativity will decrease with going down. So that is I'm saying. Okay. Okay. One second. So just you will so again only downside. Okay, no problem. So yes, I will give you extra class. Okay, for Wednesday. Then I will solve your all doubt. Okay, whatever you feel. Okay, don't worry. Where I'm explaining here. See, this NH plus 3, PS3, ASS3, SP3. What is the meaning of this? See, this NPASSB, both are start from top, you will going in a down, then you will get SB. So you know, if I will coming downside, so my electronegativity nature will decrease. So that is why this NH3 has more minus I effect, okay, combined to all. And then OS is again is coming. So now you understand, both hydrogens common in all three, plus sign also common. But only difference is center atom, O sulfur Fe. So you already I tell you, if you go downside, your electronegative nature will decrease. So that is why OH have more electronegativity nature combined to all. Okay, and then plus I effect. I will comparing all elements combined to hydrogen. Okay, combined to hydrogen plus I minus I effect is there. You can see plus I effect is minus oxygen minus CO and minus sin Cr3 CHR2 CH2R and D. What is the meaning of D here? D is the isotope of hydrogen. D is a deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen. Okay, and see guys, this Cr3 means this is a 3 degree carbon, CH2R2 means 2 degree carbon, and CH2R this is a 1 degree carbon. Okay, that is a plus I effect. Okay, and this is a minus I. This is a increasing order of minus I effect. You can see here this NR3 have more minus I effect. Then this is decreasing order. Sorry, this is decreasing order. If you going from start from minus R3, if you going last, your minus I effect will be decrease. Okay, guys. This NS then NH then NO2 SO2R, it will decrease the minus I. Okay. If you can remember this order, it will be good. Otherwise, you can just revise, then you will remember. Okay. This is the order. What 1 degree? Uh, okay, Harshit. See, 1 degree carbon means कि whenever see, I have just see here. What is the meaning of CH2R here? कि whenever see if carbon single carbon is there,
Hmm.
bond is there, that will be 1 degree. If with one carbon you attach two carbon, that means it's 2 degree. Sorry, three carbon. Okay, see, for one carbon you have total four bond. Okay, if you have two hydrogen, if you have one carbon, that means 1 degree. You can say it is connected to only one carbon, that is why is a 1 degree, and is connected with two carbon, that is why we write is 2 degree. Is connected with three carbon, that is why it is 3 degree. Okay, can you see? C R means in the R only one C is there, that is why is 1 degree. In the C R two carbon is there, so this carbon attached with these two R2, that is I am writing 2 degree and 3 degree. You can say I will show one example here. I have any example, then I will show you. Guys, can you see this cycloaxane? You can see Harshit, can you see this cycloaxane? In this cycloaxane, this carbon is connected with two carbon. Na? This carbon also, this carbon also. So in this cycloaxane, every carbon have 2 degree carbon. Okay, okay, Harshit, 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 can you see here? In cyclohexane, this one single carbon is connected with two higher carbon. So that is why here every carbon have 2 degree carbon, and only this carbon is connected with this C carbon here also, this carbon also. So only this carbon have 3 degree, and remaining carbon are 2 degree. That is the meaning. Okay, Ashit, 3 degree and 2 degree. This carbon is connected with CO, that is a 3 degree, and other remaining carbon are connected only 2 carbon, that is a 2 degree only. Okay, guys. Now I'm comparing here one thing: the CH and CD. In this case, CD is more plus I effect compared to CH. Guys, please remember that CD have more plus I effect compared to CH. Why? Because D is a isotope of hydrogen. D is a heavier isotope. That means it's heavy elements. Okay, and if you see here, is a heavier element. That is why we can say so. Because of heaviness, effective collision will happen here. So here bond will be strong. That is why bond length is very less. So we can say if bond length will very less, so we can say electron density is very less. So that is why plus I effect is more here comparing to carbon hydrogen. So whenever carbon hydrogen is there, a carbon deuterium is there. In this case, carbon deuterium have more plus I effect. Okay, guys. I think, guys, you are not understanding proper. Okay, no worry. In the offline class, I will solve your whatever you have doubt. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, in offline class we will meet now. So I will clear your doubts. Okay, don't worry about that. We will discuss in the offline class also. Don't worry. Huh? This electron will not change its atomic orbital. Okay, yes, I will tell you one thing. Actually, na electronegativity या minus this sign. What is the meaning of this? कि these electron are attract towards the electronegativity. It is does not means कि electron are changing the atomic orbital. So sometimes they will ask in the statement. Okay, so that is I mention here. कि here does not means कि electron will change the atomic orbital. Only electron are attracted towards electronegativity element. Okay, it's not a means कि it will change the atomic orbital. Okay, then your question. Okay, guys,
Time over,
now I will
time over, sir.
tell you this. Guys, see, guys, see this question.
Time over, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Just see this question, then you will go. Okay, no problem. Guys, please see. He's saying inductive effect of phenyl ring on the attached group. See inductive effect on the phenyl ring. This is a phenyl ring. You just tell me what is the effect on the these two, A and B option. Okay, in this that see you can see the here option. Okay, this phenyl ring
B,
in
sir.
the A will plus
B,
effect
sir.
and this B will also plus I effect. Yeah, B is A is showing minus I effect. Yeah, B is showing plus I effect. Guys, please see. This phenyl group will connected with two carbon alkyl group. What is the meaning of this? Ki this alkyl group have this sp square because of benzene. So that is why in this case this this phenyl ring will show you minus I effect. Why? Because benzene group have sp3 hybridization. Sorry, sp square hybridization, and this alkyl group will show only sp3. So that is why this phenyl group will act as a minus I effect.
How
And
do
in this case, you will understand this carbon will connected with oxygen. So that is why this will be more I negative compared to this benzene. So that is why this will be become positive here. So in this B case, you understand this benzene group will connect with carbon oxygen. So that is why it will be more electronegativity here. That is why it's showing plus I. It will show here minus I in this question. Okay, guys. I will also mention here this will show minus I effect. That is why this phenyl will become as a plus I effect. Okay. Now, guys, I will discuss some question here. It is my request from you, my side, please, guys. Coming next class, whatever you have doubt, please don't worry. Wednesday, I will solve your doubt. No problem. I will understand in online. There is some problem is there. I will not solve all your doubt. No problem. When we meet, now I will solve all your doubt. Okay, no problem. And my general request is that in the my notes, some question are there. Please practice by yourself. Okay, guys.
Sir, share your
Please.
screen. I had shared one question, sir.
Yeah, I know. I will discuss with you. Okay, don't worry. First you see. First you observe. Okay. Who is saying like this?
Question, sir.
this?
One second. Okay, guys. Now we can go, guys. I can talk to Tajas. He has doubt one. I can talk to Tajas. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we can go. I am saying now you can go. Now class is finished. Now you have physics class. Okay, I will talk to Tajas. Tajas, I have doubt one doubt. Okay,
मुझे
guys. And you have and whatever you have doubt, guys, don't worry. Okay, I will solve tomorrow. Yeah, we will meet now after online class. Then I will discuss with you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, guys. Okay, Tajas, I will call you. Okay, don't worry.
sir, share your screen now, sir. Now,
I will see now first.
what, sir?
Just a second. Wait. See, Tajas, is question related to stability of I effective. Okay, it is not question related to now. Okay, I will cover next part application of inductive effect. Then I will tell you who is more stable, who is not more
Share,
stable.
share your notes.
Okay, okay. Now I will share you after class. 5 minutes. Okay,
Yes,
okay. Bye, guys. Okay, I will end the class. Okay, guys.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Hello. Nyara bahagia Elaice. Hello. Hey, Babu.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, yeah, Prajwal is back. Yes. Yes, we are trying to solve the few problems today. Okay. So how is your preparation is going on? Harshit? Harshit, are you logged in two devices? Have you logged in two devices? Yes, yes, Harshit, good evening. But you, so Harshit, you logged in two devices? Oh, okay. Start, sir.